What up YouTube, Brian here to show you how to use functions to modify text. This feature can use different functions to make changes to different forms of text. You can capitalize text, make it lowercase, so you can go to change one visually, or you can combine text, separate it, or put spaces within it. You can do many other things as well, but it does all these through formulas. So how does this work? Depending on what you want to accomplish, you can type the different formulas. I'll show 3 examples of this. And then also, this is very useful whenever you have like a long list, as you'll see here in these next 3 examples. So let's just go ahead and buckle up and dive into these examples. So first one, we have a column of first names and last names, but if my company wants me to maybe have a list of them combined, instead of just typing them all in together, there's definitely a better option, which would be this formula called concatenate or concatenate, which is used to combine 2 texts together from different cells. So let's use that here. So we'll do equals concatenate and parentheses. So we're going to use combined A3. And we're going to do comma, quotes if we want a space in between. So we do that space, end quote, another comma, and then the B3 last name truth. Close that out there. And then Kevin Truth right there, and all we got to do to fill up the rest is just drag it down, and then there's Jimmy C. Jonathan there at the bottom. So our next example is our company we're going to use to cover up credit card information. So because we have these same clients, but we don't want their information just flying around, so we are going to cover up the last 8 digits, show the first 8, but cover up the last 8. So we're going to use the formula called replace, which will replace these digits with something else. So we'll do equal sign replace, and then we are going to do parentheses, so we're going to replace the credit card info. We'll do comma, and then we're going to want to do the first number of where this went to 7, but that's the 11th number within it, so we'll do 11, and then comma, and then we also want the 16th number, which is that 4 to start as well, and comma, and then quotes, and then what we want to replace the list, so we'll do some X's. Work just nicely, and close that bad boy out, and there it is. So we will also drag that down, finish it up. 2 different things we could do to make this look better. We could either hide column D, but a better option might be to just copy and paste. So we can just go up here to this home tab, hit copy, and just paste it right on top. But we have to paste the values here, or else it will not work. So paste the value, and we're going to delete this column, not necessary. And there are credit card information hidden up so that Randy Yondell will not lose her information. So here's our last example right here. I have a list of books that my inventory, they're all lowercase though, and that is just not professional. So let's fix that right up. We're going to use the formula proper, which will, uppercase the first letter of each word. So we'll do proper, and we're going to want to do A2 here, and close it off. And there's the Hunger Games all capitalized, as well as the rest. Make sure we get Clifford in there. And there you have it. There are